I think that what it is, I think that it's a few things. I think that first and foremost is the history. If you've got a history of having great athletes in one area, like 400-meter runners in the States, for example, you have a history of it, then other athletes are going to come along and they're going to follow that history and they're going to build off of that history. Whereas, we have not been particularly well known for distance events, and so the expectation is not as high for today's current American distance runners. The expectation isn't as high because there haven't been a lot of great distance runners in the past. Also, coaching. There are a lot of coaches here who have that knowledge of sprinting and 400-meter runners and hurdlers and that kind of thing because they've trained so many great athletes in the past. And the other thing is the collegiate system. I think we have a great collegiate athletic system here that helps athletes to have that type of support that you need as you come up from high school or as a grade school runner. There's an opportunity to continue after that, and you can go into college and compete against other collegiate athletes, whereas a lot of other countries, they have the club system, but that calls for sponsorship, and that's difficult to get. So I think that because of those reasons, I think that that's a lot of why the U.S. has over and over again and for years produced great sprinters and hurdlers and runners.